back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video, the must-have items that you need for your home. The icing on the cake, the decor items, what you need and where to get them from. Let's go. A simple dress does not make the outfit. It's everything else that we add to the clothes. It's the purse, the shoes, the hat. Well, home decor is no different. One sofa is not going to make the room. It is all of the other items that we add that we use to complement the sofa or the tables. So these are the things that we're going to talk about today. There will be 3 to 4 major things that you need for your kitchen, i.e. some type of greenery. Then you can consider your cabinet pulls. Cabinet pulls are functional, but yet they give us an opportunity to display what our style is. Statement bowls or statement jars. If you place these items on an island and you can place green fruit in there, orange fruit, lemons, inside of a jar is a fantastic way to add to your decor and give you the icing on top of the cake that you're looking for. Pomegranates in a wood bowl will add loads of color to a space. A unique spice area for your spices, that would be great in a kitchen. Also, stacks of glassware, open shelving. Can you imagine if you had beautiful glassware on your open shelving? Or if all of your glassware was white. Great place to look for decor for your home item, Williams-Sonoma, Pottery Barn, IKEA, CB2. These are great places to look for decor for your kitchen. Must-have home decor for your bedrooms, pillows, throws, lighting, candles. Picture frames are wonderful to have. Nice bedside picture frames. Mirror pictured frame, that would add a lot of character and light. If you have a wood table, consider white picture frames, black picture frames. These are things that are going to add on top of, you're putting layers on top of layers. Obviously, you're going to have gorgeous bedding or duvet covers. These are essentials that you need to create that dreamy bedroom. Where are you gonna go? Serena and Lily. Great place. What I love about Serena is they have things that are unique pieces, very calming, and then some that are very colorful. Pottery Barn, Studio McGee, great source for bedroom accent decor. And last but not least, Target, or as some of us like to say, Target. Bathrooms. There are 3 types of bathrooms. There's the powder room, the guest bathroom, and the primary bedroom bathroom. You can go and do an array of things in the bathroom in order to add that bling. You can start by having a tray on your bathroom vanity. A tray is going to designate whether you have soap on the tray, you can have napkins, candles on the tray. There's so many beautiful things that you can do in a bathroom to add that bling. How about adding seating in your primary bathroom? And it can be a different color or an accent color. The pink, pale blue that we're all dreaming of. A smoky gray would be a great color in an all-white bathroom. A floral vase, a waste dispenser, a Kleenex holder. These are areas where it gives you texture. Hey guys, just a reminder that if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. I have loads of content for you and inspiration for your home decor. The living room is a place where we're going to add bling to, but we got to get it right. It is one of the first areas that we see every day on a daily basis in entering our home. They should be aesthetically pleasing. These individual items will make your space feel like you. It will be a part of the decor that you're actually trying to create and that you love. Your home should be your sanctuary, and it should be a place that we want to come home to. Top of the list, artwork. I can't talk enough about artwork. Artwork is an area where you can display your personality. It should be something that invokes a smile or a thought. Artwork can even be a personalized, oversized picture of a loved one. Maybe consider doing it in black and white, and then having a thin black frame around it with a huge mat. So huge in terms of a 12-inch matting around a black and white picture would be dramatic. And it becomes an art piece, a statement in decor. Vases, urns, even on your vases, all vases don't necessarily have to have floral inside of them. Depending on the size, the shape, and the color of the vase itself could be the icing on top of the cake. Is the accessory that's going to make that room come together. Consider decorating those shelves. They shouldn't all be just books. Add different figurines, a different color. If it is a bookshelf, consider covering all of the books in white paper. That is such a dramatic statement. I did it myself in my office. All of the books that are on my shelf are covered in white, and then I went back through and I labeled each book in black. So the name of the book is in black because I want to know what the book is, and before I grab it, right? If everything is in white, how can you tell what each individual book is named? This gave me a very dramatic focal point when you walk in the office. It also makes it more uniform. Sometimes we can stack so many books on a bookshelf that it begins to look cluttered. Well, if we wrap everything in white paper, it becomes streamlined, defined, and organized. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up or subscribe. Hit that ring notification bell. Until next time, make every day a great day.